What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the previous time we have talked about function introduction, function argument, recursive function, anonymous function, and today we are going to talk about global local variable. Alright, at first let's see the global variable. For example, we set as equals global s, and we define a function and we print s inside equals s, and we call the function and print s outside equals s, and execute it. Alright, as you can see, s inside and outside are all global s. Because we didn't set a variable s in function, so the variable s extend outside as global s. So the s inside and s outside are all the global s. Alright, let's go on and take a look at the local variable. In the same way, we define the function and define the variable z equals local z, and print z inside z, and we call the function and execute it. As you can see, because we set a z equals local z inside the function, so the z inside is local z. And then let's take a look global and local variable. At first, we set a s equals global s, and define function and set a global s and z local z, and we print s and print z, and we call the function and execute it. Alright, as you can see, we define the global s inside, so the variable s extend the outside global s, and we define the z equals local z inside the function, so variable z is local z. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about global and local variable. If you like this video, please give thumbs up, share this video and subscribe. See you next time.